Hey y'all, what's up? It's Jessica. Welcome back. Thank you guys so much for tuning in today. So today I want to share with you guys how I like to pamper my hair. As a mom, sometimes it can get hard taking care of yourself because you're so worried about everyone else. You're taking care of the home, your husband, your child, and sometimes you can neglect yourself. And a lot of times for me, I neglect my hair. I just feel like there's just not enough time in the day or the week to care for it. But it's so important to take care of yourself, take care of your hair, have that you time. So I'm going to share how I have my little quality spa hair time using products by Curls. I use their Cashmere and Caviar collection, which is amazing. You guys have seen me use this before and they work so well. My hair right now looks and feels just amazing. I haven't like brought my curls out in a minute. I think my hair turned out really cute, so I want to share with you guys how this mom likes to pamper her hair. All right, so let's dive into the video. So here's my hair fresh out of braids. Obviously it's in need of a cleanse. I'm going to be using the Cashmere and Caviar collection by Curls. This collection was formulated with the coily, kinkier curls in mind. This cleanser is super gentle on the hair. It's infused with active charcoal and it naturally conditions the hair with Cashmere and Caviar extracts. After that, I'm going to condition my hair, which I desperately need. I'm going to use the hair mask. This stuff is so amazing. I love how this left my hair feeling. This product will help repair your hair and any scalp damage, and it also promotes faster hair growth, which I'm definitely trying to grow out this damaged hair so I can have a head full of healthy hair again. Then I'm going to add a plastic cap over it and I'll let this sit on my hair for about an hour. After I rinse that out, I move on to the hair silk. I'm using this as my leave-in conditioner. This product will soften and moisturize dry, damaged hair. Then I'm going to add the hair serum. So what I love about this is it's a growth enhancing hair strengthening treatment. Lastly, I'm going to apply the hair gel. This will smooth your hair and give it a light hold with added sheen and definition. And then I'm just going to begin twisting my hair. I'm just going to do regular 2-strand twist. I haven't done this in a while, so I'm really trying to get my hair back on track and really hoping for that curl definition because you know damaged hair tends to not want to style at all. But there is hope. Don't give up hope. There's products out there like the Cashmere and Caviar line that will get your hair back on track. So I'm just going to twist up, and then I'm also adding yellow perm rods to my hair to just help the ends curl. And since my hair is pretty short, it didn't take me any time to do this, so that's a plus about having short hair. So the next day I take down my perm rods and now I'm going to unravel my twist. As you can see, that curl definition is popping. So I'm going to lightly separate so that I don't disrupt the curl too much, but y'all know I love just a little bit of frizz in there. I gently fluff and pick the roots, and here are the final results. I am absolutely in love with what these products did for my hair. It left my hair feeling soft, looking bomb, curls popping. This mama is ready to slay the day away, okay? Cashmere Caviar collection is available at Target, so run to your nearest Target and pick up these products. I'm telling you, you are going to love them. Be sure to let me know down below how you're digging this hair. Thank you guys so much for watching. Give this video a thumbs up. If you aren't subscribed, subscribe. Then turn on your post notifications so you're notified every time I upload. That is all. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.